Our project advisors look at your crawl space and then inform you that we cannot fix the issue. Stay tuned as I explain what can keep us from repairing crawl space issues. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Repairs in a crawl space can be tricky. Several factors can keep a foundation company from making the needed repairs. In this video, I will tell you 3 of the top reasons crawl space repairs cannot be made. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. One of the biggest problems that will keep us from being able to do the appropriate repairs in your crawl space is simply the height of the crawl space. We need to make sure that from the floor joist to the ground of the crawl space or the dirt is at least 18 inches. This gives us the appropriate room to do a good repair and to keep our crew safe while doing so. So if your crawl space is less than that 18 inches, you may need to dig that out prior to us coming out or pulling up those subfloors for the repairs to be made. Another thing that can keep us from doing a complete crawl space solution is that the crawl space is flooded. Now, there's good news with that. We can get the measurements on the exterior of that crawl space and talk about the solution of a water drainage and a sump pump. Then get that installed, then continue to look at the rest of your crawl space. After that's all been pumped out, dried up, then we can look at repairing those other issues that you may have called us for or that may be going on. When you have a plumbing line, specifically a sewer line that's broke, to keep our project advisors as well as our crew safe, we're going to ask for you to have a remediation company or a plumbing company come out and make sure that they get that cleaned up and fixed. And so we would wait to do an inspection and to solve those problems for you until that's been fixed. But our project advisors will be quick to let you know if that's going on underneath there and if that's something that you need to do prior to us being able to solve those concerns for you. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about repairs in your crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.